Namaste, this is Dr. Shivali Tripathi, Chief Fertility Consultant at Apollo Fertility Varanasi. On this 25th of July, we are celebrating IVF Day, World IVF Day. On this World IVF Day, I would like to tell you all about some myths related to IVF and what are the facts related to those myths. So, for the first myth, it is supposed that IVF is done for female fertility. But as a ART clinician, we all know that fertility is basically dependent on both partners, and approximately in half of the patients, male partner may be at fault, and IVF can be done for both male and female infertility. It is thought that if we are going for IVF, it is always successful, but this is not true. The success of ART procedure depends on the cause of infertility. So if like in tubal factors or some causes like that, the success rates are more, but there are some causes in which more than one attempt may be required. Again, it is thought that IVF is very dangerous or it is very painful procedure. So it is not true. IVF is very safe. It is done in daycare. No overnight admission is required. It is done through some injections and some ultrasound monitoring and hormonal monitoring only, and it is not life-threatening. Again, it is thought that if once you are going for IVF, then you need to go for IVF again. Again, this is not true. It depends on what indication you are going for IVF. If it is a recurrent indication, then you might require again IVF for conception. But if it is a relative indication, then you can conceive naturally too. It is also thought that conceptions by IVF has to be terminated by cesarean section, but it is not true. Cesarean is indicated only in patients in whom there is an obstetrical indication. Again, it is said that you can go for IVF at any age, but we all know that it is not true. Success of IVF depends on mainly female age, and females are like they have their reproductive potential better at earlier age. So if you are going for IVF at advanced age, the chances of conception will be less. Again, it is thought that IVF always results in multiple gestation. Again, it is not true. The number of gestation depends on the number of embryo transfers, the number of embryos being transferred, and how many of them have implanted. Nowadays, we are just transferring 1 or 2 blasts. So, more than twins are not common in IVF. Again, it is thought that IVF is very costly treatment, and it is like unaffordable. But nowadays, with improved technology, with multiple Indian companies producing recombinant injections, the cost of IVF is brought down. And again, government is also interfering at multiple levels, and it is not so unaffordable as it used to be in earlier time. Okay, so these are main myths related to IVF and the facts related to them. Thank you so much. Happy World IVF Day.